she should be what? Removed. On the what basis? And some break also okrom her. And some court said the ACD some okrom her and I'm for any. And then we know how the thing has been politicized. Look at how Afenyo Markins so a intentum echo kasa. Have you seen that? It's in Yama Bebre and Sisu. Look at this issue about LGBTQ and sense them. By not president, you were in front of your friend say national this international communities. Would you know money? And then what you had to say is Matisse obi the assembly court. And Tisadia, yeah, they drew her. Just look at this. Assembly young court my MS Seville and don't say Matisse. We are sure by then no na eye obi foforo na ti APS court one ka sansem no ka ya ntwanko baby e ko so. But what happened? Genesis and some break also o mamu. Bebre akoso atwam. Amanfo asua bebre den Ephraim. Obi anim say president was swear oath so be boy emra poni ne ho ban. And then that is exactly what he's doing. Echo court enkosi babia. I'm even told say omokra suggest say they should exhaust all means. I want mamu has say. And son omo dey assembly beba okra omo dey den. Omo dey aba. And that is what I'm even suggesting. Say wo mama na wo ye or emra pani no anase emra kunu no ne nkyerkyere mufo pani no. Wo mom na say wo hu say no. Akanya hwekran no. I was say me hu say oh ye di nsem na ma na kwa wieye na ma hu say baby ekọ edi asem e bonjo so. Enti sa dia memfa nkọ ha say. And some of the nam or the chinchin nyinara eda Ghana court enim aye di ho asem na ye ndi nwe na wo de ko ba bi fofra opesa wo kire yen se pefe se Ghana court and I mra na e di adwuma wa say no ase bibi wo ba bi fofra and amra fofro bi wo ba bi a eso che no.
All right,
how can you behave like this? Wo mra na wo de ball man ho ban no sesia de wo hu se enye sesia na wo ye pian se kwotena ncha ne ye hwehwe wo nsem no de wo hu se enye. But Samra we ya wo de di amanfo bebre. Wo de di amanfo bebre amabi mo Samra we na lawyer for ni judge for de di amanfo amabi mo akodi dem wo court.
All right.
Your friend saying prison. After the one say wo ye di bi ba wo so ne de end enye o ko ECOWAS court. Wa ko siki your friend say redress through one kasa won crofo e de akọ your friend say Commonwealth. Enko ba bia. Mane ha
Medase Osio had on Honenko baby and a Payasidanko Emma A. McDonald's Ventures. We almost a man and memman tarding in a bush or master executive office and occasional students in our movie. So Bema dear and Angobadi and Tardy and Munia in our pay. Long and short sleeves, t-shirts and pabwa bang and our peso, belt ben our peso. Muniaba, we knew Muati. Ladies' suits, office and party straight dress, ladies' nightwears, Nina, when you nabi, our McDonald's Ventures. Ubungu McDonald's Ventures ewom pamam womo ene kokobod ena edienum hwe womo betumi afre womo 0243733224 saranso so ene your car spraying oven with infrared heater into the car bus use prima within 10 minutes ni awie new magazine ena eye infrared heater nso ewo ubetumi afre 0243733224 ensu pare no ane density natural mineral water to bi ampe bi na onom dwuma de bia wudi be hia nsu wase de eno ane density natural mineral water yaso ye ewo number 27 New Ridge Tanosumin Road yensu no ye 500 mm sachet ni 19.5 liter bottles ni bi identify 0596604743 0208466256 Bills microcredit. Bills are there. Was here Noah and Ghana card. Bills was will make it happen. So Bills makes it happen for you. Near here and Ghana card. And found say, we hear Sika Eddie Shedumedium and our Bibia would be here Skawasiano. And Noah and say one Casabi to Anamo. Noako a Bills microcredit. Sikada will hear their Shedumanium and I Sikana will hear Eddie Biadmafro. What dear Bills microcredit. You have musica, no collateral. Young can cook at Jose AF or deposit brand number 22 away. I say collateral Sembia enim. I don't see Freyain 0596 920833 and 0302 200390. Bills or say a Noah and Ghana card. Open phone papa partner Ukradia may come for the Bros phone service at the amount. Open quality phone and Ukra. Phone no ehon a popo upese wunya eye cover e de hye se iPhone na wope Samsung Nokia laptops ben mu ne phone glasses phone protectors phone covers power banks and then the account you will be our the bros phones and services. So we also gonna say top of a Boadak building no and a Fred Bros 05550 981 and 0543531524. The Bros phone service, quality, affordable phones and gadget. About any one yam dear that dying I'm a catcher and 103, but what is it to I was so adding a kama. Now we have Nro a etumi siesie mama emma ete de ewompam eno a ene araba bazan tablet oba enso fita bi etagu ya na nka ewa akire sara nso na akosua kuma na ya na so eta akekaw busume so na obu nsa ya wono doso wode be made ahemu a wote ya wodwo nso so a wote ya me kanfo araba bazan tablet ede ama o menu aba wode ye no eno no be ma wonso wode ene Mr. Kill na hunsu agene a wontuma oba emfafuro ode bo ani na wajamu wode ene Mr. Kill be ma bia nkokopa bi na be improve ama woni ama no atumi aye kama na immune system no so atumi abo adwuma ye kama nti Mr. Kill eye ema mema na araba bazan eye mama abuzo obia ye to aduro bia e Western of ha obetumi afre 0504906665 and 0545906665 away no adura yede ewirase ewo afu ahodo nyina nkanka mo ammo ye afu a te se abrofu ana serious insects hamo no wonya ma wonsaka away eno ano no. The good news is safe to harvest and eat your crops 3 to 7 days after spraying with away. Ebetu ASA for me worms ni nyina ne mowa wo mo ha wo fu de nyina mu saranso na Bon Agro Limited o makokofa bondaron e de aba bondara etu ewira a ewo banchifuo abrofuo kakaduro ene afi ahwirifuo nyina emu entima wonsa enka bi yewo major so 3-in-1 selective weed decider ya de air control different kind of weeds ewo abrofuo ene serious nyina emu entima wonsa enka bi woko Bon Agro Limited wonya bi na abefre wo mo 0246519012 Gasam ekoku obia se cement papa sisi ada cement na no ano no nia Ghana eda na koma so a ono no passionate about building a stronger greener future for our nation enoa ene Gasam the nation builder stands with you in every step of the way. Arenti mawonsanka ekoku cement papa na abadwa so no enoa ena me kanfo ede amount kokoto bi Gasam ekoku eno ena yede edidwuma ewo oman mu edi si adan ama adan ahodo nyina so etumi aye kama anapai ma yentoa yensam so na yetoa yensam so a sisi ade akwakoye se rebata be na bezo ye
ta me rebata kakra
nanse
rebata no
ye kakra
anu ane se
no 2 minutes de ma ye kakra
menua
me call on so
ene nidi no se friend Jomes enu na mrante enu pe Jomes
yes
o se the woman be ye bia enkusiaga. I want him to remind that word enkusiaga.
So was saying woman be ye bia de besiaga.
Oh, me that mean cancer. Me say the ball lies in the bosom of the president.
Thank you.
Even if the committee ni kasi ye nyina di kura president be kasi onyintu. Ba ja no so ho ana meboa. De me peso okai ni se emre ye ninka so. Na asem na wo kan ne no ekene bi ye de beya asem de abuawo. So say ade papa ni se ye yi obi ma me adi. O si ye yi obi adi na ya ade papa. Once ye de mra kwan na e fa so. Good. Nti ye ade papa. Oh, that be it is hamra kwana justice here what can your friends say Bonnie so no so to kwan yiri obi beko nti another petition betimi abachranko so no see first hamra ntansa no mo no
if is established
why not go kono kaya zo wonu kwana beko
esa woni mo
this Afro barometer say court system omunye happy Ghana for nye happy no doesn't mean say
omu ye happy say yi Chief Justice Ghana court since time immemorial bien who na ni age omu nhihye ho ana amebwa
Liberty FM
obi ani ho but me say what was some court and how the judicial works. So one for us some kokota because oh you buan tansa ye chiane. But what was some kokota, especially me my high court by 2 or 3 times. Say ye dia samana. And ne why ye dia samana to so no do what dia beba. Ni ama kwama ne nipa kro na dia samana so de nanu dia ba no ma trase. On friends SMS. No o ma ye cross checking. Ubia pepe ansa no makudi asem no. Nti asem no de efa even SMS no ho na obohu se wasem na wo kan mood in terms of mra. What ma say? Nti na make say semra eniwa wo se wasem ede. Da mra be di wo no. Hwe o ka say wo se LGBTQ+. Eni ekeka ho a mo hwe politics amode yeye. Mo se na na ado ansan. Yemfa ne se na na ado de no yinipa boni. Yemfa ne sa se na na ado no yinipa boni wansan. Mo ba ye onu podi okogina international fo anim. International community na kan. Mo ba ye clergymen asofo anim mahama say onu onye interested in that LGBTQ. Onu the moral upbringing. Na oye interested. Yes. Yes, that which is not true. I didn't say no catch a Catholic bishop for no. Omuko no, I didn't say.
Menka.
Huh? I didn't say no catch. Was it on your interested?
As more catch on say. The first bill that omo pass here no, and I say omo eya won hihye no was a private member bill. But this time it's going to be a state sponsored bill.
Okay.
That was what he said.
Now onye na ba kuno kan ho no. Onye interested.
He never said he's never interested
in the LGBTQ. No. But what is interested in say, young call the moral upbringing of our children.
But
so I say
that is okay.
Yes. So I say obey state sponsored a bill against the LGBTQ. How many months now? And I mean can't you say and this if we no sa no mutio. Near those we are better what I say. The Constitution of Ghana, Senyama woman in ya the pank ye kwako ye review. Have you thought of it?
I said the pank as was sitting quite we review.
Yes, it means there should be an improvement on some of the issues.
Correct.
And one of the issues is about the removal of the Chief Justice because it is too hollow. Yes, we pa yan tonchia said this review of Muye. Said that article 146 no, they will not review it.
Okay.
Yes, that's to tell you say human life no enye static engineer park. Dynamics. Inti ade bia ye review ho bia na sa ade no nya papa. Ba bi to chima. Inti se ye an improvement on it. Inti what try na the Chief Justice ye appointing the time 2023 ya. Ana me wa 2023 ya. Meanwhile ye dey this asem no ye the constitution di amanfo asema several times. But that article no obian to me emfa nsan kan. But because it is convenient for NDC now they will use it. But me no problem.
Okay.
I can't just say abaye di botechi no.
Yeah, the bebo ban.
Yeah, the bebo ban dabi.
Ima.
Okay, it's a quick one. I'm saying LGBTQ and some no me ba mu kakra. But the fact remains say President Enkan will be say LGBTQ bill na ye sponsor my private member bill. Ye sponsor you know. Ye be to na ya ka say yen kwa kire nkra nti. Then it's just going to end there. That is never what he said. As more kind he said this time no. First ana de edi kan ankwankra bi na eboka bill no e de ba parliament. But yesu yenim say kakra yesu ehunu say bill eba parliament. Now within a space of a year ana banfoforo eba ana afi etoso na banfoforo esesa sa bill no bibia is more or less nullified. Na say egu anesa tiji say yes so start process ni then ebiom president Kali Bishop conference and ya sofuko no eba be kan ye no asema o me be kan ni say omo de sansem no ebe to president anim and a president di twum say this time no enye individual anasa ankwankra bi no mbe sponsor o man no de sika be den ebe chim ne ya sponsor ne ya jack mama be abeyemra enti eno ene ye oh bra and afi ye me kasafa afro barometer sama me kan e yenti kroma na ye say alo ajeje for ne lawyer for ajeje sabe emponchi ni ndwan oh kroma just recent issue about Jakpa any attorney your friend said current finance minister issues share the attorney general any amount for economy and come person mo ye ditia your friend say ato forcing ye ti kroma na say ye hu say enyoma bi o na ntwa yi na ye koka mo say no emra no eye holo nti ye njama ne nkosa as at the moment aye kasa die article 146 eye Ghana mrapani ye de ye adwuma and that is what they should get it clear and say yes ye constitutional review the fact say ebia ebe remaining say ye de yensa beka and say yan fa yensa nkakra the fact is that yeti kroma na mo de mo korowura isi for because isi mo de mo crop akwase say electoral commission look at this mo de mo crop akwase say electoral commission sa mo akasa sanso esoriti a Charlotte say emo mo ko yi nsem bebre e de buy oh please what I say mo kwase sure now look at this man and confirm bebre ho I forgotten akwa wedding na say your communicator said that me make us am this year man friend anko your friend say electoral commission so anko ye adwuma ho na nipa bi say no anko ye adwuma ho ha dey na wo obey enti omo na san kwa hye akire enye say bi asa person no because ono no buy na Charlotte say ni obiom but the fact is that abesin ne yen kan che Ghana for say hwamu and omo the petition authority a Charlotte say ye pamo no say na ye pamo yisi biada na ye pamo bi da na bias Ghana hada but the fact is that emra no ho dia and ye mfa mra nye den enye adwuma emra na ye di adwuma that is the due process obi anu a say OTSC ka kire me say article 146 emu di ohen and a president ebuso ana CJ na onu mu etin chance si ana on kan kire say emu di ohen na president ebuso so to me point my dia and your onsa meje na adwuma
all right me da se ma me nyina hanane me ho me ba sisia
Idini omamba pa Kofi Asante na omamba pa sadie ne se obeboa ne manfo wa bra wonfo won sika ana won se wa daje won niam bi ho ene ene na mu no a babia yakokopie ene Institute of Mines and Environmental Safety aye chani tua ka se IMS Africa e suku a abapotamo ha esese obi a wo pe mines adwuma ayo ana se wo pese usua se de si operating video ahodo bi te se dump truck excavator wheel loader forklift mobile crane dozer backhoe ene video ahodo pi
na esanse wiase ho bambo adwuma ko agi school ya tomunti o wie school ya abodin krata wo benya no emu odru ye do bekwa akire na afa DVL nso ebema license ye no so beboa mo atwi fudi akese shane nso sa IMS Africa ye je wo feso ama wontitiye
anokwasem pa ne se ku ahodo abampotem ha na IMS Africa de idie edimani ko hwe ye ne ba bia ku ni wo no ene ho niema no abusuafo esewani se wo ka kire se wo fra chichi na eba wo benya ba bia da bi se
jojo waboa mi o
Kofi man kan cho se mebu anya drama
wo ka ye menua enkane na sisi yade a eha me no nya agrokra na sesei die manya yaresa
Kofi onya yaresa ena kakra bi a mema wo so adoto heba man capsules yi
ani jojo manya yaresa mretiawa yi efrise mahia owoso adoto heba man capsule menom owoso adoto heba man capsules na kakra bi mesisi yade a na eha me no ni nyina akọ ampara owoso adoto heba man capsules yesisi yade aduro enunti me kanfo owoso adoto heba man capsules ama obiara owo sisi yade
aduro yi enye ma hemfo ema wo ma nofo ene mofra wo nimfie dumienu obehu owoso adoto heba center ewo atwoma yabe wo kwada so kwantempo ne so wo po owoso adoto heba man capsules dodo atua frɛ won wo 0242702662
ana 0545355796
FDA agi adwadi nkratwo yi atum
Jobs Enterprise. Yes, a Jobs Enterprise. Yaba, say yaba, niaba beboa amansanyina. Say eba air conditioner sedia. Fadinina sayensa. Jobs Enterprise. Say offices, a few, another hotels, and our air conditioners. Say a fridge, cold room, which the cold stores like a car air conditioners. Fadinina as a Jobs Enterprise. Yensa. Na yensies ye enfamao. Ye ton esanso a services. Jobs Enterprise. Baby biara. Ewo mama fananyi nada. Ye ko ekoko dijuma edibwa ema air conditioners ejina wonanso ebo adwuma wadre full nyenye eni ti se eba air conditioners dia eno ani Jobs Enterprise yaso ye kase ewo Kumasi Santase yebe Atansemaso Junction sunyane so yebe Calix Secretariat no enafi sewiyoso yewo empomom opengo fitting shop ho a wobetumi afre Jobs Enterprise na yebe siesie wo air conditioners no ede amount ya homanie 0244 144 570 and 0207 161 777 and 0243 468 077. Jobs Enterprise Seba air conditioners dia ye your number 1 ye demonstration kokra.
There is small money, there is big money, and there is too much money. Telecel Too Much Money promo is here. Dial *500# to opt in. In the Telecel Too Much Money promo, you can win 100 Ghana cedis cash in the daily draws, 20,000 Ghana cedis in the weekly draws, and 1.2 million Ghana cedis in the grand draw. That's 1.2 million Ghana cedis. Simply reload airtime to end points to stand a chance to win. Dial *500# or visit the Telecel Play app to opt in now for the Telecel Too Much Money promo. Terms and conditions apply.
Telecel, connecting energies.
This promo is regulated by the NLA on the Caritas Lottery platform.
Liberty FM.
Mamen Sai Emma Akwaba Emva Emra Jumedi Eso Aha Aye Liberty 92.7 FM. Na anapei mewo aye minua bema Jumes Duduana Sado mo edifin bad Nidian Kasa aye Emmanuel Opon. Or half of the NDC and aye Braima or sister Emmanuel person man fans Sano Mosofreno. Braima Emmanuel Atamafo and so I was say. Honestly, a constituency secretary Emma a NPP also constituency. Madam Munasiana pay no man pay faster than from my pure health clinic for one more day a natural products but just what benefits a hood one. Wamo ewo aye can beaters I don't know ye de A2 aye koko ni a 3D yari ase sara so and ye wo aye can come tie stop mixture and also unya bia or typhoid ne ho krodba nye betu ase e ma revisit ye can come cool capsules and no any ye de A2 aye koko ase sara so and ye can come ointment and no general body pains in the review of ni nyina mu and the general discomfort aye joint pains in ahodo ni nyina and nti ba won sanka bi enroya buso e wo bia to adro bia wo se hwibodi akọ aye schoolboy drugstore ana Christy drugstore saran so and akọ efie herbal so ebi wo ho dwabo so for money enkyere mu e wo MK Dwamena drugstore ana Dr. SK Dua drugstore so ebi wo ho e ma refi se awie herbal so ko hodma ebi e wo ho bonsu nkwantafo nkohunu Alice Joe drugstore and a cool red drugstore. Or a contomra called a Boadi drugstore. So he also for going with a kissy herbal. Philomena Fosia drugstore and a more egg account in a more visa quad adiaswa or more a Owusu drugstore. Elder Boahen drugstore and a Afe Elder Roxon drugstore. Koa drugstore so called my ABL on a science for Nuko a junior and senior Asamoah. With me for Dr. Kankaman Kasa, it was 0246 710 712 and 0274 506976. Yansha Yasama, a chatwani fan, sorry. Now, my fan free a Jomezo. Na Galamsey. Akwakoye asembia Ghana hano zia yehu say a government now and then ena womo entumi entu asia say den anapa na many Dr. Kwekwe free kasa na sebo kan say Ghana you need a political will to fight a Galamsey but ni nyina mu no say what national hwe aban ahodo aba no womo niema womo di agba koma hye sha besi bia ya duru ya sisi ya kwa kunya water garden na ya still Galamsey kwa na ekosu ya ana na me bisa se you share your level of national organization is Galamsey solvable Iba
Galamsey do de no kwani amienu se Ghana obia show the political will so obesi ano there's nothing that can stop Ghana. Say Besano. But the underlying word here is the political what? Will. me started that meti Galamsey one asem nyene de yesusu but they no mo use here shovel ne pickers e bone entokuro e wo form ne akọ omo say ye dotie no mo hia mo yi dotie no anase bi ye aboba no mo hia mo yi no makwanyam no mo de ayom. But a couple of years, frankly speaking, we heard the way and the rate at which you use sophisticated machines. Say caterpillar and na say for they say and say near this science you are very horrible, serious. I are there and crack. I was saying to me one year then you two are here. Yes,
Liberty FM.
In their time, they did their best. They also moved me a but we saw stability of water rising to about 5,000 NTU. Emma, from the health, from where? Baby, I can't say no, baby, so it's a sign of there. I was saying in a kind of home near then. Yes, sorry, near fighting Galamsey squarely. That time now, man, when you break ground or more, say, Ebia, you fighting Galamsey squarely, no. That same time now call the mining repository on my website. You issue licenses here and the left, right, center. The community mining, a buyer. You do baby who say, mining or baby, no more reclaim your assassin, fine. But say, baby, baby, so no. And someone near to take one and say, Bia, or buy yours, I say, and answer for example, me, and yes, be yours near you be, and maybe about, for example, and I made the studio, I say, be about yours, for instance. No be crack if you are being more back. Say, a mammy crack, I say, my mine or ha. What or no one wine. Unia no be other than say, Mobamo kind of my day, or my own mojuma. A big crab about moon crank crata, no money crew mano. I could not even answer money on my back. Night, a dimusa, and I just say, in so near assassin day. Yes, sir. Meanwhile, no, ye mao, lines is second mania. Yama some distance away from water body be a bell. I think about 100 meters or 200 meters or so. Say, and son what me I am mining na man then. I all in the name say on fancy in soon. But we saw say in so water bodies a whole river and cobra. Yanka say there wa high river tunnel. Na man for best sabi no more they call lab a whole work or test a whole door. Baby na we're at the verge of collapsing. We're at the verge of what? Collapsing. And see, yeah, so, yeah, be your friend is saying, yeah, born to a vote. Abedi, or my issue. Yeah, catch a man for and say, some more boy near you to me. We are campaigning on the basis of resetting. Resetting, say, I said, you walk a phone. No work craft on the sound, I won't say phone and your man, I bassa. The answer what they call reset. Reset, not to say, you be in your man who be brain, as answer then, every so. And I say, a very static. Bibia besha sia foforo na manet san so atiesi ne kwan papum. But here's the case there. Galamsey na ko say media da bia meka say enkrofo mo share no we are leaving them ana sabe mo bro afọ no mo akọ site wo ko deeper no mo mum na ye near them edi omo achi. Which is very bad from both the NDC.
Why is that bad?
That is bad from both the NDC and then the NPP. I'm not going to
because wo ko site one. You have a mind of your own. And I'm a boy.
Sir.
Into what the one in the coy. The one doing his business. So also not going on the baby now. What push you a hot now. So when you are apprehended, I was here jail you. Then you not
that is what
because Nipa on Magalam say site.
That is it.
What
because Wosha excavator hodwa for the past years. Ketua we kakra bi atwam. I'm say about 4 or 5 years ago. Ya kra dia ba mamu ase ya. And yeah, it's not going to the road ministries. I'm going to road construction. And you're no more extra those machines. And why can't we go after those people? And then there was a yadiomo. Now your mama bro and Nina, what cause so could depend a day? Yaman is a cry about 200 cities. On no moment we are never going to tolerate Sanyomano.
Next time on no because I mean Korea.
And I say, not many boys be doing come on. And then almost some can say, oh, hell, more they've been going to those sites. But I'm so communicate be about say, who will be a bonamania. Now, because of the SC, Sir Galamsey, your friends and conform who, or in the names and they call or Boasia lunch program beer. yɛbɛka afa nsɛm a yɛ sɛdeɛ yɛbɛsi amine safely ɛwɔ ɔman mu ha sei bra yɛnsa yɛn nsuwa ne yɛ forest reserves ahodoɔ na ɔmo kɔhyia ɔmo nkɔnhyɛ wu na from the communicate from the I'm say your friends okujeto ablakwa and I'm that talk no we are going to put up something that Ghana has never witnessed in the coming days and see your cars I know I'm say boys na bohu me krom boys ni bia ba fie no am ne omo di nkomo that was what they were saying na asem omo kan e kra is emma me hu dwiri me kra was that wo ko site wo na tu anka say kra manfo inside ho no enya de keto a where is Ghana heading towards? Say to a way na krokrom who site one omo de ye de omo nya free he omo craft a port and a bedia on what basis near the mom ya mom way say south to we mu nyina embra yam USA they were just having elections adeba kom e use as omo campaign was that say ye be bra kwan ye fa so a etuo bebre kwa man for nsem obiti baby ono kra na otimi eye ni bibia kama no ono ehwe kwan ya obefa so obesisi etuo se ekodi amanfo temamfo ne nsa na ye de ye mobro wafo a ye gu omamu ha sei ye de afa na ekwa amanfo nsam bebre look at nsam recently arrest bia IGP ne nkofo call me refi kroni din na ye koduru ho what was baffling me was that omo was site so na chese omo sa anwea no and we have a whole DC MC asemo kan say omo sa e de akoye omo dan feeling baby how dare you so we shouldn't forget say
you think some DCs must be
me na make catch me nka no MPP and DC asem DC MC bi onim no de ne ho besha Galamsey no ye gada intelligence ne be chewa JDM and what's all the ye fans and party nsem bi aiden eba mu because it is an existential word threat yade e be say ye man no sabi ye chow said ye see e mine o hwe de we an omusi ye na omo loadi omo excavator be biensa na mienu e na esi wo ane ye de sa double axles de ye de twe anwea e de ye normal way e bia be si wo ane omo loadi di gum na wo hwe we the sort of host of more creative wo na o ka kire o say ye tu anwea no de akoye dan a sabi wo ye badwen ba enye obi na be ka kire o say omo tu anwea na akohoro no ba bi foforo. What you say? Oh no, no. They are trying to tell us that they are not going to process it over there. Now we are a whole community. A whole community. Timomufo no what's up krono no. Omo nia brain omo ne your friend say security personnel no ekobo ani. Adenti na was on man can you do this level no. Why do you have to even get there in the first place?
We've made it lucrative.
Police ni ba ko ya to abuba bona no say ya patito. Ba konso ne nine. How did we even get there?
Yama Galamsey are lucrative.
Lucrative, they are not being a lucrative. Because Sky then, but the fact is that I was say a fuck and papa no say then, it too.
Okay.
I was say a fuck and papa near there, it too. Because Sabe, I don't see you be a Juma or also at the end. Eddie, what a shana busia. Yet me can say but 2 and 1 be a new but fuck and papa say then, a yardiano. Because both parties need now, you're not MP, I think campaign time, you're NDC for no more so can underground. Or cause sites be no catch omo oh mo de ye buy ye be mama ye moduma here there ye nya MPP phone so or not like I say on tape no ye am say one parliamentary candidate asem worker was that ye mo de police ni bia na soldier ni bia o be ba mo site so mo no fanye there and fanye how do you have to even go that tangent?
All right, Medas,
and we are supposed to treat it as adebia terrorism e wo man nim and yes so
Atamafo
yeah kayaso anopai mamembo ura nana sompa hene kofi na otwie etwa mu ye abono honorary degree doctorate the rank of yabona baso wo ni jumadi a odibua asitna mu nipa ewo mu yabona baso ene ne yere malizi boma baso pa mon koso ala nyesa
adwumadi this is your friend Dr. Nana.
He said doctor we honorary to me.
Say honorary sister but still the best friend.
Yana you be catch it.
Baba take us at Dr. Nana.
That is it. Good. Minia Jomex. Iwi ase won ho. Obia ni ho wadu abura watwa wiu da. udua bura ubetwa bro nti me when it comes to issues of say ye can Galamsey asemo because of the NDC 4 year yinti no that tangent now fire na why na so far so on the onye na MPP NDC but that time I no go opposition ni there almost see from Pom Boaten the report to be about out na you see Galamsey ni kura no Akufo-Addo ne Flagstaff House e ho no mo ye no in fact omo ba radio omo say Akufo-Addo dan ye chi e wo chebi ni guard mu kura ye Galamsey no maka ya mi ho Akufo-Addo chebi wo kura se be wan tena ho say ye de no konya se be Galamsey garden wo a ye kwa Galamsey wo ni garden mo kan ya tisa no pay what here okay oh muna mo ko fa electoral commission for ba and amuna mo appoint wo mo me wa na owura fi say by the year 2000 now obi o ye adwuma electoral commission from district to head office nyina NDC na do mo ba so still be ye wini Amadou Sile mo de Charlotte say e call court petitioners no Amadou Sile no a deputy commissioner ono na NDC for mo na mo de ne ba Mama no account no more than the buy. And so much petition count. It me when it comes to issues of this, me find the agro. Because politics when near one when you lose. What must say? Now you can't send be a very careful. And now could you talk braka? Can I also say me can say Omo Japano. Omo the private jet in a coy. Sananado and the private jet coy ya. Can neck okuja to be a press conference. Etwa picture beto. Jomes. When say oh we of ones are now here because ono so inside num to say wo de na sem bintra. Once yakwa ba. Galamsey no hiti yen. Sisi akrompo de momo de en de airtime. Yes. Momo de en de airtime. Etuo na wo kan. Medi mani akohu bi. Amafuom kwan so. Omo do si barrier o so mo obi enwura fkuro num NDC what ma say tema na ye ka kire mo say Galamsey fight no mo ma ye politicize no na ye politicize na ebe ye din ne kono be ye din mantie because na mo be power ba na mo hihase owura Tony Obin o say ye ba ye be ma mo eden atu enakra mi hu ba ku bi anura o social media na Joseph Yamin any one guy back omo ka say Akufo-Addo no de operation Vanguard ehunu na mo ye de ye ba ye be momotu na president Mahama so say oh Akufo-Addo na achi Galamseyers na gumu obi a ya chi na gumu because of Galamsey yen ye ba ye be yi omo no ma baji so ye munko yi omo sama ba munko yi omo no me Galamsey no Akufo-Addo ni presidency kura to ho ama ye to abatia in fact 204 election ye lose ye Galamsey kan
Liberty FM
na ma ye lose ye because mo politicizing no ana mo so ma ban aba ana mo nkrofo so take over na wo Galamsey side after musu me ti yours wa na minim say yours so enclave ni yenye Galamsey wa ha tano no so ni yenye Galamsey enne tano no so ye Galamsey se woni mu a nti na mata no nsuo no aye poto no mfiri ba bia ye constituency mu a makana ha several yes me na me ka show me ka se me tano no must me twene omo ye no so
Galamsey
me oba me kan jo say abo president omo ye bi ho me kan jira ho makana some ya makan na obosom te ya me ka kire no ye bi ha adentra because sika wom a very lucrative obi come acha within 1 month 2 months no wa paja ena babia enchene aboa ne nanu aka nchene no opamno ne sen once wo hu se bibi pa bi wo ho no opamno se obeko etidia mo ka no mo me fa ntansa no mo NDC a politicize Galamsey too much ena sisi ya ne microphone so take over babia ehun kura ye Galamsey ekoso wo timber industry ni mu kaya so say ya hwe ya the last 2 years ye nya nnua bia o yo so hakura entwa fancy yedan yes ye nya bi cause o ma ban aba ti bi bia o mo dia even obi conscience ko mo gbo wura mu a anu akura dia asem bia mete ye se me nua ba ko o mo ye timba adwuma ono no wo concession a watwa ne nua e wo timaka no so no a watu a oba no yetimi direct no se timaka no sankore o ma je afiri ni nsem cause na ban aba yes that is how you dey ye because of politics. Tis all say politicians and this ni MPP ye na ye man so wa on kai se ni fie ho cause nanado ye na famu die nyina mo de bo no o ka say Galamsey excavator o say bi rai atutu no mo de sere ye some so mo ba ye hanabisu onzu akwachi excavator manatu ana wonte ye yes that shows oh masa oh the and this na Galamsey
say any pena no masemo
esi echi no omo sai ba wonte be ka say nya no kre
masa na o ye nya kwala za
oh it's true
Anabisi after so the press statement na ba ono ankasa edi kan to na no mutu e kan say okoye no 40 na okoye na aka 7
okay I know ono no na de no nya ni in her custody. What you say?
Or the command police.
Ti echi na police for so the communicate by say enya no kresa na ni nyina eden e wo ho. That was what they said. Ti I'm not saying enya no kre.
Say ade o be say
enya no kresa e bia.
NDC for kan say enya no kre. Just police for kan na enya no kre. Nti mo ama appointee no aba kan asem enya no kre. Nso mo hwe no ene mo nyina die. Yes, esese mo nyina di. Sa asem Hanabisu be kan enya no kre de ene mo nyina di. Say as a CEO of a country wo share minerals so wa be ka say watch excavator manayira na ye be ka say enya no kore na say onsu gitum say enya no kore de na ye say yi wadi because adwuma no nim so nti Galamsey asemi aye kan kaya so say ya hwe ni yi a ye te ha so mine the next 10 to 20 years ye nya sase ye nya sase nua no baye emma ye nya nkasa kra ye te ase ye bedi bi campus enchirima na ebe den ebeba no because kao enunti na maban eyese si betumi etu Galamsey ase pa ho enam se eye obi ni daache aduane a odi nti no esese ye nhihye ye foforo e de masa ankrofo ti na e community mining eye responsible mining nti ye nse geological survey sa department no ye be mo maye survey across the whole country ni ehun ba bia gold wo na ya ma individual concession ni regulate omo no ma mining responsibly. In fact me parliamentary candidate Buma, that is where ana wa major wom ana say wa specialize wom, and he was going to lead that heap ledge mining nka ono na ekwa kudi say dwumane dia magana man enaja NDC for da Roma omo say kufuado amana homodin ni epia ni sinchen. And now on say because of Galamsey nti we've lost about 8 people and ameboa ya lusu omu keke omu families lusu ade country na lusu ade Galamsey nti enne asofo binumanya lokum say prophecies eba benya office ewo presidency Galamsey so what kind Nigeria prophet now Waden krabre president Mahama no Jomex o see sa prophecies ni promise a NDC for mo ye edema sa spiritual fathers no mun konkodi so anya sa it will haunt you it modia mo pe aban mu aba bia all angles mitimi ko one video bi na Ankara everyone saying bibi Ankara Elvis Ankara okojina Sunday man o swai say what the bapani be twaso.
Is it a sorry them man? I say enya sorry them.
Eh sorry them and enya sorry them.
Enya sorry them.
Omode sold be swai.
Yes.
Very good. And inti na ma profess no eba out ne. Inti media jomex. Ekwaya mo fa so a mo ba power afiwe nu. Nko na munim. Mo ne sa nkrofo na mo po mo so ni nyina nko ya pam. Na mo nko redeem me image. Na mo ma Ghana. Ensi wo because Galamsey nko even a kontomra ha na nipa engu enne Galamsey kontomra nipa ewu kura pro 11. You see almost 300 people because of Galamsey.
Ewa kontomra.
David across the whole nation. Akontomra ya by 11 or so. Nko people are dying. Young guys are going in and are dying. And now we mo guam and they ministers nyina ewu. What man say? But the truth of the matter is say me makan say if Galamsey is going to be solved, 3 pillars.
111.
PCC. Pioneer politicians. NDC. No more than Tanzania bo MPP force no more power. The maba power, yeah, they support mo. Yes, so because say, yan support mo. Economy to me. So what can say alliances? How many alliances? And your politicians. Say your politicians name. Misa mobile so mama alliances bebre. Gold board krano. They are not interested in buying.
We have not given any licenses. As at the moment, I'm not going to say.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you. Even the excavators are here imported. We have put a hold on that, and you are talking about licenses.
Mother, what the radio soon now? I'm for 3 or down. Yeah. Sir, you need the politicization of the Galamsey fight now. You won't go anywhere.
That is where you are also going.
Yes, because Moody D. The way Moody D. in 2024 elections. Was it oh God? Of a one. I didn't about say for what you mean. And now Abom Yamuntino says, yeah, Moody, Tom Ranti, as I say, because of them microphobia wunti. Inti, yeah, Ubia or yeah, Galamsey, Ninu be your friend man in Refi. It is a ministers, me, no, any high profile for no mua. And can no munim say Galamsey fight, no, move fight.
We are mammy.
Huh? No money. So politicians, especially NDC, mo wa chow pa bia mo pagana for chow.
Okay.
We are me about community na ankasa so. Communities na ye Galamsey wo mu no. So omo si no ba ko no. Omo so agitina mu se omo mpene a. Wo ye den, wo de krata akora fi aban mu ba, omo so omo mpene. Plus their chiefs. My mouth simple example. Jema ewa awun enche ha. The chief and community for say omukrum homu nya Galamsey da up to now into me nya Galamsey okrum. So these 3 pillars, ya kambo mu we should be able to fight the Galamsey.
Okay.
Because si anya Galamsey no na say yam fight e beye kakra e be kransuo.
All right.
E be kransuo abagana ha.
Atame da say tell us all as a man catch say wo now you be a now wo tell us all broadband no and now wo see there we so wo ji wa home kakra anuntia ma wo pause see wow now wo use tell us all broadband wo pause you know we almost say the magic is back. Now is the perfect time to also come back. Enti what pause no all that you have to do is to reconnect your broadband service during this month. August womi. And we'll double your data with 100% bonus. Absolutely free. We unyane baby just a teleso eso. So once so now you'll be a now broadband no now wasubi. And now dear oh we are watching so grab the see them David. We are new. After the waba. Akwanya ndi. Once on the 50% data bonus on your first plan. In Tiafen Ado, one BECHEM. I also have a Telesa broadband no experience will be experience here. Who are 50%. Now who are they already know we are active. Our hot dada. Wo one poor soy. One so I won't for front of never moody or woman dada. Dada in a no one we used to the Ojima. Tell us also, man, can't you say we appreciate you. Subscribe to your plan during this August, this month, and get special rewards. Into whether say you are reconnecting, starting fresh, or staying loyal, Telecel Broadband powers your world with unbeatable value. And when you dial *900# and now visit the Telecel Play app to reactivate or subscribe today. Telecel also connecting energies. Betway influencer also any Betway, you say bet responsibly. And one say oh bet now she share what she share we are. No ucha we are. Now they want kasa code no so e dey at all. Now for front so afa omo fara omo so twa do omo dia onso wo sika e wo mu. We umpede na pede. It is start betting, start sharing and winning with Bet Influencer exclusive to Betway. Terms and conditions apply. Remember say Gaming Commission of Ghana no almost every media. Bet the responsible way. Betway or to get way more. And I pay you come 0536304072 Eno and I di 18 komana paint was watching channel ma emrai. Hello, good morning. Me baje udin wasem.
Ayaso komina kuni.
Kwabla yentio.
You kaya se beda wase. Ene yuma pa budia mai. Na min chemi nua chano pa. Tema wan se ye bedu ano tanwa ni betwa.
Liberty FM.
Galamsey asemu. Enam lu se da ebibi lu se ni fi Galamsey. O mun nam Galamsey for side. Na mo kati o mo. Mo nyi mo nya djuma na ye ba. Se de be se ye ba ya mo nya bro. Won to ba ma yen. Do ma mo djo ke se ba o ba ya tsom Galamsey be yi o mu nyina. Ana se mo kati Galamsey for na nya bro. E do so mo nya ntaba gira so. Mo to ba ma o. Afa mo nya be de. Apo mo se mo se Ghana. Every before the Galamsey Nativo, and then you say every before, and then before the Galamsey.
All right, that's it. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayasu.
Yes, sir.
Danny Jonasi.
Kasa Danny.
Mamen Chairman Atamafo. Yeah, MDC, almost here in Omode. And Nadia Galamsey and my find your politics. No one will say Galamsey in Tina and MDC Wabem. And throw your Muntimin Yan Omokai, Wakubwa Himo, and of Galamsey site. And I buy Bebamotu, and Timutu Abatia Bano, or Mubaye, and a Nyoma Ayabasa. And not Shagalamsey Kano Haya, Yahaya Sadena Atama Fokano. And no Liberty FM. Now we are 4 extra big woman by so now Omania Biaton, and now we are 4 to me. And Adiomu Etiaye. Mamitia Dr. Legibaumia, or no so about Mabuya Jumaya, or Galamseno, or the small scale money, and more Profonia Jumaya.
All right, Daniel Medasi. Hello.
Hello, Kayasu.
Yes, sir.
I better that we can also cut off.
All right, I better that Casamitio.
And a power boy, Jumaya Minchia. Mamitia Dr. Mamadu Baumia, Naminchia, as you cut some mobile Naminchia.
Liberty FM.
Atamapo. Galamsey something put the Sankoma and this na Casa Sale Conemu when you have one Casa and then this poor as you are more Mutu Galamsey. Hey, how many a Babu Quasa, if you are in a Kurua, a Quaba Sanachi? Look what just Galamsey Satika said. No Bam Mobamo Motu. Nena nani o baby ya kwa for me bedua ya sie nti oni ya chikwa na udikaya udu a osu ya chano nti ndi for a twa omo e Galamsey side anaje omo so mutu asie sana atama fuka ya no omo nkopo omo cho se ya ntro na da se yensuo no wona nya menye djuma.
All right, what's wona nya mentina. Hello, good morning.
Kayasu Barnabas ni mduwadu pita.
Barnabas Kasa.
Kayasu eto media ni ankambe dia na opese uchana sen na no mesi inki san dia bana udi ayen unya no ba ni nta anameboa inki sana tie e wo musese ye di campaign kwa hwe adisi ya hwero mo inki eso ya na fo nyina ye kaya adwugo na akra ya hwe wo mo no ye nturu sa aka ni bi
na yɛtu aseɛ koraa because I'm saying ɛba sɛ ɛba bɛbɔɔ ma sɛ ɛnna na yɛhu ne yi a yɛda nyane no ɛsɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛsesa ne yɛde adwokorɔ ɛtu aseɛ because ɛnɛ
clear na kyɛda nso
nti sɛ yɛntu aseɛ a yɛade sɛ yɛ nyinaa na yɛhwerɛ ɔmo no nti Galamsey ne deɛ ɛwɔ mu sɛ yɛde yɛ politics mpo a yɛsrɛ Ghanafoɔ yɛn nyinaa yɛka mmom te sɛ baafofoɔ ma because yɛn nyinaa yɛ ama Ghana ma yɛka mmom yɛntu aseɛ.
All right, Mr. Medasi, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba jawdi ni wasem why? Phobia woman mintio.
Mama wa de nkwatente. Chairman NDC ni chair ever part president Mahama no Kofi Bento. MPP4 e mususu nkasa. Ebi kasa dodo. Oman na dokwa yin nya yetemu bi. Yin nya yetemu bi. Yin nya sisi anema ba pom na emu yin nya boa na se ayi Galamsey na ase tusu a. Eye Galamsey no manfo na kan. Abura na yeye senya abura na yeye a nka Galamsey on babu am yetu so abura nti omo ye yakasa aye babu am yetu nti ma ya anso muntu omo tu ase ina na kai tabu su ase ina na kai nye NDC fon people fo yo man ina nti ase se be mun da abura na omo mu ana ye nya ye mu a na omo ani ye ya eye ma ye nya.
All right. Phobia woman, thank you. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Aboguma pay. Chia beginning atamafo or Bokuma papa. The same one day movie, many ajipa, Majaponi. Machia Mamut, but you will be a part in Kayaso. We need to me about whom you know.
Wait, and yet, and that.
One penny for what also comprehension, for comprehension. Son, when you're on Penny, if you want money at the neighbor. Kayaso, you put a mechanism. Na Masha, Phobia woman, over your Baba Casara today. Massa, Yabakasa, because Mokasara Mobile move. Nimandi Nanya Crab, Kaipa, Samijan Fee, Boom Sue. Now, as a Milo, Edguima, the court TV station, no what say. And Necotano. Kayaso, which is Mama Bra, Namin found Cotano, Zara, the coffee, among events, DC, ammonia, our children. O can was the so as I had no money. This is no money. MP no money. And so Nadia can what and what is cannot so. But I say,
where am I last caller Frosty? Hello? Good morning.
Morning.
Where am I last caller Frosty?
Kayaso only if you said it was
all right, was it you?
You make Yamini Tamafo. Na nzanzo hene mkiano na Galamsey in fact the person no idea say ya kind and this phone him say the biagro mato masim ti dem o afo e ko don kuruma say the tanoye na ba na me don kuruma no in fact and this phone mo yiro mo hunda ya person ya no idea.
All right, yeah, down so see the besi e wa ha ye mfa ofrefo bia bia da afrefo de nyina ase ene obi a adwenkyere a ode ebaye anape amen kamfo eye Zuva Bar and Lounge eva emma wo hwe bia ebre no ekona premo e ya akoto a ne sa na premo to pe na je Zuva Bar and Lounge wo ma bie wo mo pro e de ato wo de ma sef bra na so be je Zuva shawarma ne bi 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. 30 Ghana cedis and 50 Ghana cedis. Delivery and pickup are available. 0538 448140 and 0555 150 798. We are going to Zuva Bar and Lounge at Abuduam Junction. And I pay Yadi Jumadin Ebesia. Yes, sorry. Ma menko eye imaho na onfaka krajwa.
A quick one.
Akaya 1 minute per I'm sorry.
Galamsey no. Eye ye nyina ya said say ye be boa na ya fight. Na me nua atai kasa na say oh mama yam politicize but oh no, I never said that. Man can politics asem home. Me say no. Please. Asema me kan was that ye nyina yam boa na ye de ye so ano because oyele ba enima NDC enima MPP. And the fact remains that no can say NDC ba ye na ye matano ani say. Go and read graphic online on 31st October 2022. Yanka say mam mahine katachie kwasi bu mankama. Every kansem no kire say through the fight against memo date no graphic online 31st October 2022 sometime one na no mo abam o ka se wo boa ma ya fight Galamsey amata no ani ate ene bia ne sui mu ya start ya Galamsey wo ho na NDC na wo abam
yes 2015
oh please when I catch you yes when I catch you and I'm what did you do about it? Something that took you over 8 years. This time anya shokrano ya hu say L1246 no government and I say president and to me owo et me bua me my licenses me ye come mine no this time ye year no na den esinchen at the moment excavators are do I craft free on my Friday ball mamu are saying we put a hold on that and no one aye Moment to come, I say party here sika chest caveta party here sika from Professor Professor about the report I hold even including Ankasamo president in the backyard they were mining illegally over there and not the one who anka and ne obi boa ya te water guard ya yewe ya boa ma ya solve problems and we are no say twa ho and am am boa enti and so yes yam boa here and there we are no asa kasa me politicize no oh Atama. You are sharing crocodile tears ya cause na emo de
NDC on about some year campaign, they can choose and pick. Some year campaign, almost on Bema Cocoa, for 6,000 minimum price. In fact, July 16th, President Mahama by Gaboso was a wa uni cocoa as a baby because a boy a day ban, a bo papa, any 128. What must say? Okay, say the removal of CJ, almost as here, a campaign promise. And then the omu yo, but Coco can in the end ye omu ye. Yet also be this Galamsey fight. Now to Oyadio. Okay, excavators are ye shishi omu or Ghana. And what ye di come, who's the young sonity? So Canana said an Nabuman come 2022 okay. Nana Yanokra okay. But Makanaha say, your so constituency near Galamsey or town on so. Yes. Na ya yanu wo go so it is only ta and as an flow from that end never no and then a pass ya but where dear you also have young kasa yeah that's what I'm saying is this is the seriousness aspect of it. What's the Blue River guy?